Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 22nd of February 2022, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So we have gold prices right now breaking out to 9-month highs, hitting 1,913 US dollars per ounce. In the last week, hedge funds and money managers, they've increased their overall net long position on gold by 7%. So of those funds that have a position, 78% are currently long the gold market. And with that, of course, we have seen gold break out to multi-month highs. And this has really enabled us to capitalize on this slingshot move higher that we've had of late, following really off the back of inflation, which is currently at 4-decade highs. Not only has gold broken out to multi-month highs, we've seen energies this week break out to 7-year highs. In fact, for ourselves and our clients at the Gold and Silver Club, we automatically hit profit targets this morning with the spike higher in energies, banking a windfall amount of profit of 9,000 points. And these are positions that we've been building into over the last month. So just to give you that calculation, for every one lot contract that you'll be trading, that's $90,000 of profit. For every 10 lot contract that you'll be trading, that's $900,000 of profit. Now, oil prices, they have been on an absolute tear in 2022. They're up since the lows of November, up more than 40% now. And of course, this has been further accelerated off the back of geopolitical events in the last week between Russia and the West, but also inflation, which continues to run hot at 4-decade highs. This is having a massive impact on all commodities as we continue to accelerate through the commodity super cycle, which Goldman Sachs have stated will continue to go on throughout the next decade. So what else do you need to be aware of as we go through this week? So later on in the week, we have the PCE data, which is the Fed's preferred measure of inflation. That is expected to come in at 6% and to be the highest reading since the 1980s. And we have a number of Fed speakers scheduled to speak throughout this week, which always provides lots of volatility and of course opportunities to capitalize on that volatility that it creates. Now, as it relates specifically to gold this week, I'm looking at ranges up towards 1,920 US dollars per ounce. As you know, we remain in gold here, our position at 1,783 US dollars per ounce, which is currently up over 1,200 points. We're keeping that position on with the view if we do continue to climb above the 1900s, we want to get exposure to that. But we're perfectly happy here. Even if we were to see a pullback, we've banked already a lot of profits, everything from platinum to copper to energies to also gold here. I've just had massive moves as we continue to benefit from this commodity super cycle. So I do hope that you are also maximizing these opportunities right now. Everything from energies to precious metals, they are blowing up. Now, another point to be aware of this week is on Wednesday, we do have contract settlement. And then as we go into the beginning of next week, it's going to be the end of the month. So what you can look out for is potential profit taking, given that so many commodities have reached multi-month and multi-year highs. Certainly ourselves at the Gold and Silver Club, we're trimming some profits here as well. So I would anticipate at the end of the week or into the beginning of next week, before we move into March, you may well see some outflows and another big opportunity to get in on these dips that can be created when you do see profit taking in the market. This, of course, comes down to understanding the capital flows in the market, utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence. As you know, technical analysis, it does not work. If you found that you've been chopped up a lot or you've just missed out on all of the massive opportunities lately, it's likely that you're only using technical analysis, which will just give you no edge, and essentially you'll just end up making no money, or you'll get absolutely crushed by the constant volatility that we're seeing at the moment, which you can capitalize on massively if you're utilizing the right approach. This is where you want to be utilizing a research-driven approach to the market, where you will be utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence, understanding the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, key areas of liquidity, the capital flows, and alongside that, fundamentals, the macroeconomics, the geopolitics, and how the hedge funds, money managers, banks, and institutions are positioned in the market in real time. That will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make application to join our professional mentorship program.